Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Reply to start question number 1. No, sir. Light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebrations of the games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest.
Yes.
Sir, I would indeed be shocked if the reply is yes, because I know that the government will always be in a denial mode. So, sir, my question here is whether the government, the sport department supplied junk foods to the athletes during the Meghalaya Games 2024 held at Tura. And the reply is no. So, sir, it is further replied that light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebration of the games, which also include the visit of the Honorable President of India as a chief guest. So, sir, do you mean that the athletes and the manager cannot differentiate between the snacks served during the visit of the president and the food that they are supposed to get?
The athletes to have a heavy breakfast, and before leaving all the venues, we've asked them to to serve brunch as well, sir. So due to the visit of the Honorable President, so certain protocols we had to follow. That is the main reason why, sir, during the day we only served snacks, light snacks, but then an early dinner was served as well, sir.
So, immediately after the news spread that athletes were served with junk foods, there has been a hue and cry across the state, especially against the state government. So I feel that this is a very bad news to be circulated. So may I know what action has been taken? May I know what action has been taken on the part of the government against those media houses or anyone who spread that kind of news?
So no action was taken, sir, regarding that matter, because I think not everyone has spread. Maybe 1 or 2 person has gotten that photo, has spread the photo. So there was no question of having to hold someone accountable for it, sir.
No, sir, because there is a video being circulated through news media that a manager of those athletes expressed displeasure and disappointment about the food being served to the athletes. So you cannot deny the fact that the news was circulated and the people of the state have seen that news.
So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, so we're not denying, sir, but then, like I said, sir, we have taken a decision to only serve light snacks because the Honorable President of India had visited, and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe 1 or 2 persons, sir, who has gotten that video, taking that video and has spread it across the state. So like I said, we